Okay, so this is the start of the day now, going to work. I gotta tell you though, this is the first respectable storm I've seen, I would say in about at least a decade, you know, for snow accumulation, driving wind, fallen trees, you know, just overall pretty nasty, you know. This is like the ones I remember when I was a kid, so it's about time, man. I've been waiting for so long. I figured I'd give you a little bit of quick video of what it's like right now. The trees are just like completely almost knocked over, just laden with heavy, wet snow. I'm coming around now, first corner, you can see that the drifts and even the plowing, at least 3 to 4 feet. We got some cold coming in tonight, and that should really make everything solid like a cement. So that's why people are out here right now trying to really get at it. The historic Adams Mansion right here on the left. You can see that thing completely covered in snow. Look at that, look at the front of that. Man, that is crazy. I'm gonna take a ride down another street, Bergen Parkway, and see what that's all about.